my school, how are you today? I hope all of you are happy and also healthy, yeah? So you can do our activity for today. Today, Aunties wants to ask all of you to make your own creation about your 3D imagination when you are at school. And also you can use anything around you, and then especially you can take from nature, just like twig, and then also stone, and then maybe dry leaves or dry flowers, and then you can make your own creation with that. Okay, and then do you want to see how aunties make it? Let's check the video.
Look, I already find some kind of fruit. Do you know what is it? And now it's time to imagine. When I'm at school, I like to play with my friends on the table. Look, Auntie wants to arrange it. Okay. Ta-da! I already arranged it. Now I want to tell you a story. This is me. This is my friends. This is my friends. This is the table, and this is the toys. Wow! At my school, I like to play with my friends on the table. We can share the toys. We can play together with the toys too. Okay? Now it's your turn. Can you imagine what can you do at school with the things around you? Okay, let's share to Auntie. Thank you.
Okay, my school. So now Auntie Tia is outside of the house, and I'm going to find something from nature to make my own creations. Okay, now let's check the video. Okay, my school. So now Auntie already found things from the nature. I have dry leaves, rocks, and then also some twigs and flowers. Let's see what Auntie will going to make from this stuff. Okay, so Auntie make myself with my friend are playing at the playground. We play under the tree, and then also see so many flowers at the playground. Wow, I'm so happy playing at the playground with my friend. Okay, my school. So that was my creation from the rock, dry leaves, and also flowers. And now it's your turn to make your own creation.
Hi everyone, I already take some leaf from outside, and now let's see what I'm going to make. Okay, now I will arrange the leaf like this. The big one is me, Auntie, and the small one it's the kids. So when I'm at school, I will make a circle with the kids and tell a story with them.
Hi everybody, now let's make own creation, yeah, from nature thing, yeah. Auntie already take it nature thing from the outside. Okay, now let's make it together. Okay, from outside, Auntie already take it the rock, leaf, and the flower. Now let's make own creation from nature things together. Let's make it like this. Like this. Then the rock. And the flower. Auntie make it me and my friend playing puzzle at the school. Wow, so fun, right? Wow, Auntie already make it own creation from letter thing. Now it's your turn to make it own creation from letter thing at your home.
Hi everybody! I already outside now, and after this I want to take the leaves for my garden. So what I'm going to do with the leaves? Later you will see what I'm going to make with the leaves. Look what I found at my garden. I took the leaves, the twig, and also the small guava. Well, I think I'm going to make the special things from the leaves, the twig, and also the little guava. What I'm going to make, yeah. Oh, after this you will see what I'm going to make with the leaves, the little guava, and also the twig. And this is my creation for today using the leaves, the twig, and also the little guava. I put the flowers and I have the swing Lego over here. When I'm at school, I want to play sliding with my friend. Wow, it's so fun!
Hi everyone! Same like other aunties, Auntie Angel also take some things from the nature. Come on, let's share what did I just take from nature. Arrange it into something when I'm at school. Ta-da! This is me at school. At school, I like to sing with you. And these leaves are written as my piano. This big stone is me, and another little stone is all of you singing with me.
Here my school. So now all of you already see the videos how aunties made their own creation using the nature things. Okay, so now you can get out of the house, find the stone or rock, find the twig, dry leaves or dry flowers, and make your own creations. You can imagine, what will I do when I'm at school right now? Okay, thank you very much, yeah, and at school for watching this video. I hope all of you are enjoy, and then don't forget to take a picture and send it to aunties, yeah. Now, Auntie Tia have to say bye-bye. See you next time on my